Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the highest impact work you already have. Choose 3 to 5 case studies with clear KPIs like traffic, rankings, or conversions, so proof is immediate. Once chosen, spin up a lightweight portfolio site or a subfolder on an existing domain to publish them. This reduces friction and improves credibility. Make sure to gather date-stamped screenshots, original URLs, and concise challenge versus solution summaries, so each entry tells a results-driven story you can point to during outreach. Once the site exists, convert each project into a detailed case study that follows problem, strategy, tactics, results. Explicitly show percentages or absolute gains so the impact is tangible. Explain why you chose each tactic and which tools you used, like GA4, Search Console, or RFs, and include clear timeframes so viewers understand effort versus outcome. Also attach process artifacts such as keyword maps, content briefs, and before and after snapshots to demonstrate repeatable methodology rather than one-off luck. Finish by polishing the presentation. Add a clear contact CTA, a downloadable one-pager, and short client testimonials so conversions are easy. Make sure the portfolio pages are fast, mobile-first, and use schema for case studies to aid discovery. This demonstrates you practice what you preach. If a reviewer questions results, run a focused audit of your evidence, correct any overstated metrics, and transparently note scope or attribution. Doing so preserves trust and converts skeptics into clients.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.